has its roots in activism, and that activism continues today as we celebrate progress and acknowledge the discrimination that 2S LGBTQ people face both in society and in healthcare. At Unity, we are committed to listening to 2S LGBTQ communities and using this voice for transformational change. We have asked some of our people to share reflections on what Pride means for our patients and for our people.
From its origins in Stonewall in 1969, Pride was and still is at its heart a protest. These struggles for equity and justice are not historical. They are in our present. We stand in solidarity with communities who have long been othered. We show up for each other in the long-standing Pride tradition of unity.
To me, Pride is an opportunity to be more visible as a queer healthcare provider. Not just for other healthcare providers, but also for our patients who might be from the LGBTQ2S community. And they may face barriers, marginalization within the healthcare system. Me being more visible lets them know this is a safe space and you're with people who can understand where you're coming from.
Pride to me is also a chance to think of and speak up for members of our community who may not have the power or privilege to celebrate the way that we do.
Pride Month to me is an opportunity as a cisgender individual to educate myself on the struggles that the 2S LGBTQ+ community have faced and continue to face. This way I can be a better advocate and part of the systems to promote change.
Working at Providence, I felt accepted by my colleagues. It didn't take long before I felt comfortable being open about my identity. Pride is about inclusion, equality, and celebrating differences, but I also want to recognize those who feel the need to hide who they are and those who have not been accepted. Providence raising the flag shows me allyship. I hope it also comes with a commitment to educate those who are ignorant of the 2S LGBTQ+ community.
To me, Pride Month is a unique time filled with a lot of mixed emotions. We get to celebrate how Pride started and recognize all that was accomplished by the powerful Black, Indigenous, people of color, and trans and gender nonconforming activists at the heart of the Pride community's past, present, and future. There is a lot that is still imperfect about how we celebrate Pride, but actions like seeing your place of work raise the Pride flag are an important step in the right direction. I'm grateful that Unity raises the Pride flag because it shows that we're committed to progress. It shows that we're hopeful for a time when everyone in the queer community is treated equally with respect and dignity. And it shows that we're willing to work hard to make this a reality.
So what Pride means to me is authenticity for me as a healthcare provider, but also an authentic space for our patients to land that is safe and honoring and inclusive of their diversity.
Raising the Pride flag at Unity Health Toronto is an expression of our commitment to strive to create inclusive spaces for 2S LGBTQ+ patients, community members, and colleagues. It's a symbol that we all belong at Unity Health Toronto.